In this video, I'm going to compare two of the top-rated electric pressure washers. These are both highly rated on Amazon. One on this side is the Westinghouse, and over here we've got the Greenworks. Let's just talk about a little bit of the differences on them. They may look similar, and they do function both with an extension cord. You plug in, they come with the hose. You'll have to connect your own water hose from the spigot to this machine, and then you plug in the extension cord. Both of them come with nozzles. The Westinghouse blue one is going to be 2050 PSI. The green one, the Greenworks, is 1600 PSI. You see the Greenworks comes with a 25-degree nozzle and a 40-degree nozzle. We already have the green 25-degree nozzle installed on this one. Both of them have a container that you can put your detergent or your soap or whatever you choose to use, but you can also just use the water pressure. This one comes with multiple nozzles. The Westinghouse is a red nozzle. It's going to be your most narrow pattern, the strongest pressure. You got a green, you got a yellow. And the Westinghouse also comes with this adjustable nozzle, which is the one that we have on there now. And we're going to be cleaning this dark area where these garbage cans sit on some concrete, and it's going to be a good test to test out both of these and you'll be able to see. Now, these are not going to be as powerful as a lot of your gas-powered pressure washers. You want to look at the PSI to understand the power, and then of course which nozzle you choose is going to make a big difference too as far as the cleaning power. You want to make sure they follow some safety procedures when you're doing this, because they can cause physical harm and also damage your property, your house, car, things like that, by removing the paint. So make sure you understand the correct nozzle for the correct application, and make sure you also know which way you're aiming the spray gun so to not cause accidental injury to yourself or others. Assembly on both of these was very simple. I do like that the Westinghouse comes with wheels, but both of them are light and easy to carry. This one also has a cord wrap, which is easy. You wrap the hose on one side and the cord on another side. It has a place to put the nozzle. Turning them on is very easy. This has a button, this has a knob that you turn. So we've been out here experimenting with both of these. Want to put them both on demonstration and compare between these two. They both have a very good rating. This one is going to be a little bit more powerful, come with a little bit more nozzles than the Greenworks. Say the Greenworks is a little bit lighter and easier to carry if you want to do that. But both quality products. Let's get to work and put them on display. First, we're going to be testing out the Westinghouse and show you how it works on cleaning this dirty sidewalk. Again, you want to be careful, make sure that you're not using a nozzle that could actually cause damage even to the concrete. So with this wider pattern, I'm not damaging the concrete, and I have to kind of adjust how far away I'm putting the nozzle to the concrete to be able to get close enough to where it's actually taking off the dirt and the mold and things of that nature, but without causing any damage. Now let's try the Greenworks. Alright, so both of these have passed the test as far as cleaning the sidewalks. You can see both did a great job. The Westinghouse is going to come with more nozzles than the Greenworks. Also a 25-foot hose on the Westinghouse, a 20-foot hose on the Greenworks. But I hope this video has helped you in choosing which pressure washer is right for you. Again, there's some pros and cons to both of them. A little bit lighter over here. It has the wheels, more nozzles, longer hose, and a little bit more powerful over here. But these are two great options to choose from.